Frustrated that your 3-minute YouTube Shorts aren't appearing in the Shorts tab? You're not alone in this struggle. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many creators are facing the same issue and are equally puzzled. The good news is that this is a temporary issue. YouTube is still rolling out the new system. This means that the platform is in transition and things will stabilize soon. This also means that soon, your 3-minute masterpieces will get the recognition they deserve. Patience is key during this period. In this video, we'll break down what's happening and how you can adapt your Shorts strategy in the meantime. Stay tuned as we dive into the details and help you navigate this change effectively. In a move to empower creators and enhance viewer experience, YouTube introduced 3-minute Shorts. This is a game changer for creators who want to tell more complex stories in a short-form format. It opens up new avenues for creativity and engagement. But there's a catch, something that creators could easily miss out, thereby resulting in confusion. 3-minute Shorts should have been uploaded by October 15, 2024 and onwards. Those uploaded earlier would continue to be classified as long-form videos. Not all videos between 60 seconds and 3 minutes are appearing as Shorts. This is because YouTube is gradually rolling out the change. The platform's algorithm needs time to adapt and accurately categorize the influx of longer Shorts. Think of it like a busy intersection. Suddenly the rules change and longer cars, your videos are now allowed in the fast lane Shorts. It will take a little time for the traffic lights, YouTube's algorithm, to adjust and direct everyone properly. So what's the real deal with the new 3-minute Shorts? While we wait for the full rollout of the new features, you can take a proactive, two-pronged approach to stay ahead. First, continue uploading videos under 60 seconds to guarantee their appearance in the Shorts tab. These quick, engaging clips are perfect for capturing attention. This ensures you stay relevant and keep your audience engaged with fresh content. Second, don't shy away from creating those epic 3-minute masterpieces. These longer videos allow for deeper storytelling and more detailed content. Upload them as you normally would, knowing that they will eventually be recognized as Shorts, giving them a second life. This dual strategy ensures you're maximizing your reach in both the present and the future, keeping your channel dynamic and versatile. The expansion to 3 minutes signals YouTube's commitment to the short-form video format. This move not only benefits creators but also enhances the viewer experience. Longer Shorts have the potential to capture attention, deliver more value, and foster deeper connections. As YouTube refines its algorithm, we can expect a seamless integration of longer Shorts. This means your 3-minute videos will reach a wider audience, potentially leading to increased views, subscribers, and overall channel growth. While the rollout of longer Shorts is still in progress, patience and staying informed are the keys. Keep an eye out for official announcements from YouTube about the update's progress. Your 3-minute Shorts are coming soon. Did you find my video helpful? Like and subscribing to the channel for more tips.